See here, next point is nature of roots of quadratic equations. The quadratic equations nature is defined upon, or nature of roots of a quadratic equation is determined by the value of b square minus 4ac. Getting? B square minus 4ac is called discriminant of a quadratic equation, and it is denoted by delta. Getting? Discriminant of quadratic equation, and it is denoted by delta. Delta is a Greek word. Name is delta. Getting? Okay. The nature of a roots of a quadratic equation is depend upon or determined by this value. Okay. See here. We know what is the value of x. We know the value of x here. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. It is a root of a equation ax square plus bx plus c. And the first condition is if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, if this value or b square minus 4ac delta value is equal to 0, then x becomes x is equal to plus or minus x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac is 0, then the value becomes minus b by a. Getting? This is the value of x. Then we got the nature is the quadratic equations are real and equal. Getting? If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then x becomes minus b by 2a. Then we got the nature is quadratic equations are real and equal. Next, second condition, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, which is greater than 0, then it becomes two values, that is minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and x is equal to minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That's why roots of a quadratic equation are real but unequal. Getting? Here b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then our x values are unequal and the nature is real but unequal. Okay, next third point, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a are not real numbers, are not real numbers, are not real numbers. Then the roots of quadratic equation are not real number. Getting? These are the three conditions express the nature of a quadratic equation. I will repeat once. See here, if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, if the value of delta is 0, then quadratic equations are real and equal. If the delta value is greater than 0, then the root of equations are real and unequal. If delta value is less than 0, then real numbers root are not real. The quadratic equations root are not real. These are the 3 points. Now I will solve one example, then you may get the clearance about this point. That is, I will take one example here. X square plus 10x minus 7 is equal to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Now compare these two values, then find the ABC value. Here a is equal to 1. Correct? A is equal to 1. Then b is equal to 10. C is equal to minus 7. So nature of a quadratic equation is determined by delta. Correct? Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now put the values of a, b, c here. B square, b means 10 here, 10 square minus 4 into, what is the value of a? A is 1 and c is minus 7. So 10 square, that is 100, minus into minus, this become plus. 4 into 7, 28. Correct? Now add this value, that become 128.